let's talk about how to package the samples now that you would. So this is the leftover wax, right? The wax scraps. So I use these to package up little samples for my customers that I put in my order, or if you're not doing this for a business, then just for yourself or for your friends or whatever. And you can do it a couple different ways. This is a little compostable bag that I've just labeled with the scent, and you can see that it's a little tart in there. And then I also use some compostable tape on the back, and yes, they do exist. There's a couple different ways that you can label it. You can see here I have 2 different styles of labels. You could also just hand write the scent onto a little sticker and then stick it on there. You can even go so far to making it using like a cute little pillow box and putting the scent in there like that. And either labeling it with your business logo or something else. Use your imagination. So that's just another example. But you can also just use a piece of tissue paper that's folded up to put the melt in, and you can just wrap it up kind of cute. Let me try that again. If you want this to put the scent name like on this side, fold over the tissue paper like that, and you can do it a few times. And then you can simply just put a sticker on there like that, or you can put the scent name. There's no real right or wrong answer, but that's just another example of what you can do. You could also make up little variety pack bags, put a couple of these in each one. You kind of have to use your imagination. This, what I personally do is just do this with the scent name, or I use most of the time I just use these little compostable bags and put my sample tart in there and then just add it along to my customer's order. It's just a nice little surprise for them. And you can do it with just extra scent you have laying around that you just make a bunch of samples up, or you can do it purposely and say, hey, this is the new scent that we just had put into the shop, or I just got this new scent here, try it, and give it to your friends. Or there's lots of different things you can do with it. You can put them into little goodie bags for parties, or stocking stuffers, or just add-ins to gift baskets. There's lots of ideas that you can do with little tarts like this. Just remember to add a hardener like universal additive or beeswax or something like that, and we'll go over that in a different area of the course.